scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the value of a function from its derivative is super fast. We will integrate the given expression and apply the initial condition right now. First, we integrate the derivative function to find the general form of our original function. The integral of 6x squared minus 2x plus 5 gives us 2x cubed. Next, we subtract x squared and add 5x plus our constant c. Since f of 1 equals negative 3, we plug in 1 to solve for c, which equals negative 9. Finally, substitute 2 into the function. Calculating 16 minus 4 plus 10 minus 9 gives 13. Thus, option C is the final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given values, and check your steps.